The laziest ways to make $250 daily on your phone. Have you ever pondered whether or not there is a way to make money from your phone that is actually ridiculously simple? Welcome to Money Ocean, where we navigate the seas of finance and wealth building. In today's episode, we'll explore the laziest ways to earn $250 daily right from your phone. Now, in this comprehensive guide, I'm going to take you through the most straightforward approach where you won't be required to use a computer, you won't be required to pose for the camera, and you won't even have to devote a significant amount of time after the initial setup is complete. When it comes to earning passive revenue, it's all about making clever use of your phone. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first step is to select your niche. To begin this trip, the first thing you need to do is choose a niche or topic to focus on. Regarding topics such as health, wealth, finances, relationships, or psychology, think about these areas. These themes are quite popular and draw a large number of visitors as well as sponsors. In addition, you can investigate high CPM niches, which indicates that you will make more money from advertisements. You need to look for your selected specialty on YouTube to see whether or not it is profitable. You are heading in the correct direction if you discover channels that consistently receive more than 100,000 views. The exercise/gym niche is the one we will focus on for this tutorial. Generation of video content is the second step. We are going to use a cool application known as InVideo AI to generate the video content that we will be using soon. You may easily create videos with the assistance of this program, which makes use of artificial intelligence. The first thing you should do is type in your video topic, such as top 5 protein meals to quickly gain muscle. Then, the program will work its magic on you. A video, complete with speech and imagery, will be generated based on that prompt that you provide. It is even possible to make additional edits to the video, such as add subtitles or switch scenes. When you are satisfied with the outcome, you can then save the movie to your mobile device. Constructing your own YouTube channel is the third step. I am delighted to hear that you already possess one. In that case, establishing a new channel is a simple process. Simply carry out the procedures that are described in different tutorials. Once your channel has been established, you can begin adding videos to it. In order to maintain consistency, you should upload 5 videos every week. Always keep in mind that the accumulation of movies in a backlog is essential for long-term success. In the long run, it will be beneficial, despite the fact that it may appear to be a lot of work at the beginning. The fourth step is to monetize your content. Let's move on to the next topic, which is how you can make money off of your videos. Advertisement revenue will be the principal source of revenue for the business. The YouTube Partner Program is available to you after your channel satisfies the conditions, and you will be able to begin earning money from advertisements that are placed on your videos. In addition, you can take advantage of affiliate marketing by promoting products that are associated with your niche marketplace. This has the potential to greatly increase your earnings, as several popular channels such as Body Hub have proved. The fifth step is to increase your income. You will be able to increase your potential earnings as your channel continues to expand and you get a greater number of subscribers and views. Establish a timetable for the posting of videos and be sure to adhere to it regularly. There will be an increase in the number of viewers and the amount of money you make from advertisements if you continually provide value to your audience. In addition, you have the option of investigating additional revenue streams, such as the sale of items or sponsored content. In order to successfully navigate the ever-evolving world of online content development, it is essential to continue experimenting and adapting. Engaging with your audience is the sixth step. Constructing a devoted audience is absolutely necessary in order to ensure the long-term success of your channel. Show that you care about your audience by replying to their comments, soliciting their opinions, and urging them to subscribe to your channel. The development of a sense of community in relation to your channel will not only encourage viewers to return for additional content, but it will also enhance the likelihood that you will acquire new subscribers through word-of-mouth methods. If you want to improve your relationship with your audience and communicate with them in real time, you might want to think about holding live stream or question and answer You might want to think about holding live streaming or question and answer sessions. Analyzing and optimizing is the 7th step. After your channel has been launched, it is of the utmost importance to continually evaluate its performance and adjust your content strategy in accordance with the findings. Tracking metrics like view time, audience demographics, and traffic sources may be accomplished with the help of YouTube Analytics. Determine which videos are working well and then create material that is comparable to those videos in order to imitate their performance. Experiment with a variety of formats, titles, and thumbnails to determine which one are most effective in meeting the needs of your audience. Increasing your earning potential and remaining ahead of the competition can be accomplished by maintaining a level of awareness regarding the success of your channel and making decisions based on the data collected. By adhering to these 7 steps, you will be able to transform your mobile device into a potent instrument for making passive revenue through YouTube. The process of developing a successful channel involves a number of steps, each of which plays an important role. These steps include selecting the appropriate niche, engaging with your audience, and reviewing your performance. The potential rewards are well worth the time and work that may be required to achieve meaningful results, even though it may take some time. Now is the time to roll up your sleeves, let your imagination run wild, and get started on the path to achieving financial independence through YouTube. Always keep in mind that the most important things are consistency, patience, and a willingness to adapt to the always shifting landscape of designing material for the internet. Thank you for joining us on this expedition through the money ocean. We hope you found today's episode enlightening and insightful. Remember, the journey to financial success is an ongoing voyage, and we're here to be your compass along the way. Be sure to subscribe to Money Ocean for more expert insights, success stories, and investment strategies to help you navigate the ever-changing tides of the financial world. Until next time, may your investments be fruitful and your dreams set sail on the waves of prosperity.